So today we are going to continue from where we had left, and yesterday we had a discussion about what are numbers: natural numbers, whole numbers, rational numbers, and we said that any number of the form p by q, any number of the form p by q is a rational number. Today we are going to move further and we are going to find two rational numbers. So the question is to find two rational numbers between -2 and 6. Now, in order to find two rational numbers between -2 and 6, what we can do is we can just draw a line and see here it is 0, here it is -1, -2. On the positive side, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now it is quite clear that any number on the right hand side from -2 to left hand side on 6, any number falling between these two numbers are rational numbers, and so the answer would be that. So one approach can be, the first approach can be, you can directly write -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. These are the five numbers that lie between -2 and 6. Now, that is one way of doing it. The other way of doing it can be that we can find the middle point between -2 and 6, and we can say that that number is a rational number. Now here the question given is quite simple, so we can follow a direct approach, but generally the question will not be so simple. So we need to understand this finding the mid point approach as well. So what we can do is -2 plus 6, which means 4 by 2, and so 2 is one number which is definitely one of the numbers between -2 and 6. To find the next number, what we can do is 2 plus 6 divided by 2, yani ki 8 by 2, 4. So we can simply say that 2 and 4 lie between -2 and 6. Similarly, you can find many numbers between -2 and 6. Let's move on to the next question. The next question is, like we said, this -2 and 6 are simple ones, so it is very easy. You directly you on the number line, or even without a number line, you can find the numbers that lie between -2 and 6. But what if we have to find two numbers between -2 by 3 and 1 by 4? What if we have to find two numbers between -2 by 3 and 1 by 4? Here what we need to do, like we discussed in the previous question, what we need to do, we need to find the midpoints. So the midpoint of -2 by 3 and 1 by 4, what will be the midpoint? -2 by 3 plus 1 by 4 divided by 2. First we need to find the LCM of 4 and 3, that will be 12. Here it will be -8 plus 3 divided by 2. Now again we will go on, -5 by 12 into 1 by 2. So the first number is -5 by 24. So this can be one way of doing. You find the midpoint and you will get one number which will be between two rational numbers. Now suppose the third question is, find a rational number between -2 and 5. Now here the approach, like we said, the approach will be very simple. You will say -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. All these numbers, in fact these are integers which lie between, and integers you know are part of rational numbers. So all these numbers lie between -2 and 5. One way of doing it is this, or you can take a mid value approach and you can say -2 plus 5 divided by 2, and then it will be 3 by 2, so 1.5. On number line, if you want to denote, you can say -2 is here, 5 is here, and the midpoint is 1.5, and then you can find one number between 1.5 and 5 and we can proceed. So this is one kind of question that is generally asked in CBSE board, in which you are supposed to find numbers between two rational numbers. Now another kind of question that comes is, find 10 rational numbers between minus 3 by 11 and 8 by 11. Here again, if you will observe, you already have 10 rational numbers between them. But suppose if the question is something different, if the question is that you have to find 100 rational numbers between minus 3 by 11 and 8 by 11, what you can do is simply you can multiply them by 100 on both numerator and denominator sides, and the value will remain same, and this becomes 800 by 1100, and this becomes minus 300 by 1100. Now you have ample number of rational numbers between these two numbers. So this is again another way of solving the questions.